Hello everyone. I am Lavanya, a ServiceNow developer at Palni. In this session, we will walk through each stage of the lifecycle from system configuration to task completion so you can clearly understand how FSM operates end to end. Before the field teams starts working, administrators configure the field service management application. They automate task assignment, set up business rules, and prepare the system so that work order tasks can be assigned smoothly to the right technicians. Once the setup is complete, FSM is ready to use. The lifecycle begins with the initiator. The initiator can create a new work order directly or create one from other records like incidents, problems, changes, or project tasks. After creation, the work order goes to the qualifier. The qualifier reviews the work order details, validates the information, and makes sure that all necessary work order tasks are created. Only after successful qualification, the work order moves to the next stage. Qualified work orders then enter the dispatcher queue. Here, the dispatcher plays a key role. The dispatcher assigns work order tasks to the most appropriate and available field technicians. Dispatchers can also monitor the technician's travel time, work time, part requirements, and asset usage. They manage field teams and customer expectations at the same time to ensure a smooth and positive experience. Next, the work order tasks are overseen by the manager. The manager monitors the progress and ensures that tasks are moving as planned. If an agent rejects a task, managers can easily reassign it to the another qualified agent. Once a task is accepted, the skilled field agent travels to the customer location with the required parts and tools. The agent then performs the assigned work and updates the task status accordingly. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.